morning, dear children. Today we are starting present past tense. In our last session, I have explained you present tense and I hope you must have understood it. So the first form of past tense is past indefinite tense or simple past. Clear? Now, the rule for writing simple past. That is subject plus verb's second form of verb. Clear? Plus object. Let's take an example. I ate my lunch. Means all the sentences which gives us the meaning of tha, simple tha, are expressed through past indefinite. Let's discuss about the uses of past indefinite or simple past. The first use is it is used to express the activities of past on the action which got completed in past. Like when I was a kid, I cried a lot. मैं जब बच्ची थी तो मैं बहुत रोती थी. Clear? Now I went to the market yesterday. Or Seema wore a beautiful dress on her friend's birthday party or on her birthday party. Clear? Means all the actions which got completed in past are expressed through simple past or past indefinite. Clear? Simple past is also used to express. So the first use is to express past activities which got completed in past. Clear? Now the second one is it is used to express the habitual actions or regular actions of past. Like he came to me every evening. This is the activity of past. He used to come to me every evening. वो मेरे पास हर रोज आया करता था. Clear? Means the habitual activities of past. Now class, look at the sentence. If I want to say a negative sentence in past, how will I express it? Like this is a sentence. I went to the market. How will I say it in negative form? We know that we use the helping verb did in negative forms to make the negative form of any sentence. So the sentence I went to the market will be I did not. The verb went will not be used in second form, it will be used in first form, like I did not go to the market. Clear? I did not go to the market. Understood, class? Did never uses the second form of verb. With did, we will always use the first form of verb. Clear? We will never use the second form with did. Now, if I want to change the same sentence in interrogative, how will I do that? I will say, did I go to the market? Clear? The helping verb did will come in the beginning. It will be, did I go to the market? Clear, class? We will bring the helping verb in the beginning. Clear? Now we are done with past indefinite tense or past simple tense. Now we will discuss past continuous tense. Clear? subject plus verbs ing form, subject plus was or verb plus verbs ing form and then object. Clear? Let's take an example. Rama was cooking biryani. Rama was cooking biryani. Now the use is present continuous is used to past continuous is used to express an action, ongoing action in past, action which was taking place in past. ठीक है, मतलब वो वर्क जो पास्ट में हो रहा था, which was in continuity, ongoing action था, which was not completed in past. Clear? रमा क्या कर रही थी? रमा बिरयानी बना रही थी. ठीक है, all the sentence which gives the meaning of रही थी in past, रहा था, रही थी और रहे थे will be expressed through past continuous. Now the uses, use number second is sometimes it is also used to express a habitual action, but we use the words like constantly, always. Clear? Means the words like always, constantly, continuously, when we use these words and we want to express a habitual action or the routine action, we can say it like Rohit was always disturbing in the class. How was Rohit? We are telling about the activity or habitual action of Rohit, that he was always disturbing in the class, right? Let's take the example. Rohit was always disturbing in the class. Means past continuous is also used to express activities or habitual actions of past. Understood, class? Now, if I say what will be the negative sentence of Rama was cooking the biryani, Rama was not, simple. And if I say what will be the interrogative of the same sentence, Rama was cooking biryani, it will be like was interrogative. Was Rama cooking biryani? Clear, class? Now the same sentence, was Rohit always disturbing in the class? Clear? We will form the interrogative of the sentence like was Rohit always disturbing in the class? Understood? Now, let's understand past perfect now. Past perfect. Past perfect tense uses the rule subject plus had with verbs third form plus object. Clear? The rule for writing past perfect is subject plus had, then the third form of verb and then object. Clear? Let's take an example. I had gone market. That's it. The meaning of the sentence is मैं बाजार जा चुकी थी. Clear? The sentences, now the uses of past perfect. All the sentences which gives us the meaning of the work was done in past at certain moment in past before another action started or before the another action began. Clear? Now the uses. First use is, it is used to express an action which was completed before the another action has begun. ठीक है? Like the patient had died before the doctor came. डॉक्टर के आने से पहले पेशेंट मर चुका था. Means the action got completed before the another action began. Means डॉक्टर के आने से पहले the condition of patient was he was dead. Means वो काम complete हो चुका था. All the sentences which gives us the meaning of चुका था, थे और चुकी है, चुके थी are expressed through past perfect. Clear? The first use, as I told you, that it is used to express the actions which got completed or which were completed before the another action started or began. Clear? Now the second use, it is also used. Past perfect is used to express unfulfilled desires. Means जो भी हमारी इच्छाएं हैं which are never fulfilled are used to express through past perfect. If we take an example, I wish I had worked hard. ठीक है? काश मैं थोड़ा सा और हार्ड वर्क करती. ठीक है? Means all the unfulfilled desires are expressed through past perfect. Means it is also, past perfect is also used to express unfulfilled desires. Clear, class? Like Rama wish she had gone school to give the exam. Now how will we change the sentence in interrogative sentence? We will use had in the beginning. Clear? Had I gone to the market. Now let's take one more example. Had the students made noise before I came in the class? मीन्स क्या बच्चों ने बातें करी या हल्ला किया मेरे क्लास में आने से पहले? मीन्स क्या बच्चों ने मेरे क्लास में आने से पहले हल्ला करा? दिस इज द मीनिंग. क्लियर? मीन्स past perfect is used to express an action which got completed before the another action began. Clear? Now past perfect continuous. The rule for writing past perfect continuous is subject plus had, then was, were, then have, had, then verbs ing form, and then object. Clear? Now we don't use present perfect in our regular speaking, but this is also an important part of our English grammar, and it is a part of grammar tenses, so we need to explain this. The past perfect tense is used to express an action which was going on at certain moment in past, but that got completed before saying before we talk about that action. Understood? Now let's take the example. The passengers had been waiting for the train for 2 hours. The passengers had been waiting for the train for 2 hours. The passengers, वो passengers 2 घंटे से ट्रेन का इंतजार कर रहे थे. Means all the sentences which have started in past but they were in continuity before the time of speaking, and there is always a time or a short period of time is given in these kind of sentences. Clear? Now past perfect is also used to express those sentences or those actions which were in continuity at the time of speaking before an action took place. Means before another action took place. Let's take an example. Seema had been working on computer before the hard disk crashed. सीमा हार्ड डिस्क के क्रैश होने से पहले तक कंप्यूटर पे काम कर रही थी. मीन्स इट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस एन एक्शन व्हिच वाज ऑनगोइंग एक्शन व्हिच वाज इन कंटिन्यूटी बिफोर अनदर एक्शन बिगन. ठीक है, कंप्यूटर हार्ड डिस्क के क्रैश होने से पहले तक सीमा क्या कर रही थी? शी वाज वर्किंग ऑन द कंप्यूटर, बट व्हेन द कंप्यूटर क्रैश्ड वी डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड आफ्टर दैट. ठीक है, द एक्शंस which were in continuity before another action happened or before another action took place are expressed through past perfect. Now if I say how I will change the sentence in interrogative sentence, what will I do? I will use had Seema been working on computer. Clear? I will not use had been in the beginning. I will just take had over here. Had Seema been working on computer before the hard disk crashed. Understood, class? We will always take had in the beginning and then we will reframe the sentence. Been will be there just after the subject. Okay, if I change the sentence, the passengers had been waiting for the train for 2 hours. I will change it like had the passengers been waiting for the train for 2 hours. This will be the interrogative sentence of first example. Clear, class? Now what you have to do at homework is you have to watch the video again and try to understand it. Clear, class? That's it.